KashKick Payment History lets you review your past rewards and check the status of payments connected to your account activity. By the end, you'll know where to look for your KashKick payment history, what information to check, and what to do if a payment record does not look correct. The first step is opening your KashKick account and checking the account sections related to rewards, earnings, or payments. The exact layout can change, but your account dashboard is the place to start when reviewing past activity. Your payment history is useful because it shows the record of rewards connected to your account. Instead of guessing whether a payment was processed, you can check the available account information and compare it with your own records. The second section is understanding what to verify. Check the reward amount, the payment status, and the date connected to the transaction. Compare these details with your completed offers, surveys, or other activities. If you see a payment that looks incorrect, collect the information before contacting support. Include the payment details, screenshots, and any information showing what happened. A complete support request gives the team more context when reviewing the issue. Another useful step is keeping your own records. Save screenshots when you complete important tasks, and note when you request a payment. This creates a reference if you need to explain a problem later. The third section is fixing common payment history issues. If your history does not match your expectations, first confirm that you are checking the correct KashKick account. Using the wrong login can make your activity appear missing. Also check for account updates or notifications. Messages connected to your account may explain changes, payment status updates, or actions you need to complete. Avoid submitting multiple support requests for the same payment issue. One detailed request is easier to review than several duplicate messages. To summarize, KashKick Payment History helps you track your account activity, confirm payment details, and identify problems that may need support. Check your dashboard, compare records carefully, and keep screenshots of important activity. Your next step is to open your KashKick account and review your payment records before contacting support about any missing information. If this guide helped you understand how to check KashKick payment history, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.